Everyone, now in our soil mechanics, today we are going to see our remaining example of stability of slope. Now before we going to see our next example, in a previous video we saw that introduction about stability of slope, then after what is infinite and what is finite slope, then after factor of safety, types of slope failure and stability analysis of finite slope. Then after we saw different type of stability of infinite slope of cohesion frictional soil, stability analysis of finite slope. In this analysis we saw planar failure surface Kuhlmann method, the Swedish circle method, very most important theory. Then after we saw stability of slope of earth dam. In a stability of slope of earth dam is tested under slope during steady slippage, downstream slope during steady slippage, upstream slope during sudden downward, and upstream and downstream slope during and immediately after construction, and some example of this chapter. So first of all, before we going to see example, what is earth slope? So an earth slope is an unsupported inclined surface of a soil mass. Earth slope may be found in nature or may be man-made. So earth slope are formed for highway embankment, railway embankment, earth dam, canal bank and levees. So it is the earth slope. Now what is finite and infinite slope? So the earth slope may be of two types. अर्थ स्लोप के दो टाइप्स है, इनफाइनाइट स्लोप एंड फाइनाइट स्लोप. सो व्हाट इज इनफाइनाइट स्लोप? इफ अ स्लोप रिप्रेजेंट द बाउंड्री सरफेस of a semi-infinite soil mass inclined into the horizontal and the soil properties for identical depth below the surface are constant, it is called infinite slope. Then finite slope, if the slope is of limited extent, it is called finite slope. जैसे कि slope of the earth dam, slope of highway, railway embankment, canal bank, cuts, etc. Now what is factor of safety? So in stability analysis of a slope, three type of factor of safety are normally used. Factor of safety with respect to shear strength, factor of safety with respect to cohesion, factor of safety with respect to friction. So the factor of safety with respect to shear strength, Fs equal to tau F by tau. Then factor of safety with respect to cohesion, Fc equal to C upon Cm. Factor of safety with respect to friction, Fy is equal to tan phi upon tan phi m. Now then types of slope failure. The common type of slope failure are rotational failure, translation failure, compound failure, wedge failure, miscellaneous failure. So these are the different type of slope failure. Then after we saw stability of infinite slope of cohesion soil. So it is represent the Mohr-Coulomb strength envelope or a failure envelope for a cohesive frictional soil. Defined by the equation tau F equal to C plus sigma tan phi, where C is equal to cohesion. Now stability analysis of finite slope. So first of all, if the slope is limited extent, it is called finite slope. A finite slope is bounded by a base and a top surface. The unlined faces of earthen dam, canal embankment, excavation, etc. are all finite slope. Thus the stability of such slope is of vital importance for our civil engineering. So two basic type of failure of an infinite slope may occur. It is slope failure, it is face failure or a toe failure. Then base failure, face failure, toe failure and base failure. Now then after we saw the Swedish circle method, very most important theory. The method developed by Swedish engineer assumed that the sliding surface or the slipping surface is an arc of a circle. So the following two cases are considered. Analysis of purely cohesive soil, it is phi equal to 0 soil. Analysis of cohesive frictional soil, C phi soil. It is the Swedish circle method. ठीक है. In a Swedish circle method, phi analysis, there is one equation how to find out driving moment. So it is md equal to gamma into summation t, resisting moment mr equal to r into c summation delta l plus tan phi summation n, where summation t is equal to algebraic sum of tangential component of weight of d slices, algebraic sum of normal component of a weight of the slices, and summation of delta l length of the slip surface. It is found out by twice pi r delta by 360. Then stability of slope of earth dam. So stability of a slope of earth dam is tested under the following condition: stability of downstream slope during steady seepage, stability of upstream slope during sudden drawdown, stability of upstream and downstream slope during and immediately after construction. Now here example. Now before we going to example, the method of improving stability of slope. Method of improving stability of the slope. The slope which are susceptible to failure by sliding can be improved and made stable and safe. The following methods are generally adopted to improve stability of slope. Flattening the slope reduces the tendency of soil mass to slide. Proper drainage helps in reducing the seepage force and hence increase the stability. Densification by use of explosives, vibro flotations, etc. helps in increasing the shear strength of cohesionless soil and thus increasing the stability. Providing a bump below the toe of the slope increase the resistance to sliding of the soil. It is especially useful when there is a possibility of a base failure. Grouting and injection of cement and other compound into specific zone help in increasing the stability of slope. Soil stabilization helps in increasing the stability of slope. Fixing geogrids and geomembrane on the slope. Consolidation by surcharging electro-osmosis help in increasing the stability of slope of a cohesive soil. Providing lateral support by installing seed pipe and retaining wall. Now here example is stability analysis by the method of a slice for 1/1 slope on the critical slip give the following result. Here stability analysis by Swedish circle method. Slice of the slope it is 1/1. Following result: sum of the tangential forces summation t is equal to 150, summation of normal forces summation of n equal to 320 kilonewton, sum of neutral forces 50 kilonewton, length of a failure surface 18 meter, effective angle of shearing resistance 15 degree, effective cohesion 20 kilonewton meter square. Calculate the factor of safety with respect to shear strength. So by using Swedish circle method, we know the equation Fs is equal to C dash into L in bracket summation n minus summation u tan phi upon summation of t. ठीक है. Then in a given data cohesion effective cohesion is 20, L is equal to 20 जो हमें given है. C की वैल्यू हमारे पास है 20 किलो न्यूटन. इट इज़ इफेक्टिव कोहेसन C डैश. Then effective angle of resistance 15 degree, phi dash is equal to 15 degree. length of the failure surface 18 meter. So all the value put in the equation, factor of safety Fs is equal to C dash into L plus summation n minus summation u tan phi upon summation t. So C dash is equal to 20 multiplied by L is equal to 18 plus summation n 320 minus 50 tan 15 divided by 150